Let's go. Let's go around the table and discuss what everybody is hoping to get, or see, or experience camping this weekend. Dan, what are you hoping to experience this weekend camping?
Love.
Love?
Bacon.
Bacon?
Fire.
Fire?
Chest hair. That's it.
Jeff, what about you?
The one thing that I really want to see this weekend is Brad without pants on.
My expectations for this weekend were totally changed when I saw that Settlers of Catan was brought along on the trip. So I'm excited for that.
I'm ready to play a game of stripped Settlers.
Oh,
Skylar's not actually going on the camping journey.
praise God for that.
I plan to find Sasquatch and sign him to an all-inclusive singing, dancing, and acting contract.
I hope to make it out alive, not freeze tonight. And exciting.
I hope.
That's it.